How about the jealous lover? How will Purgatory handle the jealous lover? Death does not change the person who was so jealous of his partner or her partner in life, who felt he or she owned the partner and would go at any length to express ownership rather than accepting that the partner also has free will to love back or not. After death, he or she sticks around, close to the partner, trying to dominate as usual, yet is neither seen nor heard by the partner. The dead is like air without any physical body for any action. This is a source of extreme anger and disappointment to the dead. Let us take note. Because the spiritual body is more dense immediately after death, couples should be careful with such a jealous partner, spouse, or lover. The dead person can easily materialize because of the strong desire and can cause harm. As such, the living partner should stay away from any relationship for months into years and keep reminding the dead partner by mentioning the name frequently that he or she is no longer in the physical world and needs to adjust in the spiritual realm. Someone who was so attached to the partner, not the jealous type, also needs to be reminded, since he or she also behaves like a jealous partner in a similar fashion. There are instances where the dead came for their partners to join them in the spiritual realm. There are so many instances of that. The stories abound. In African tradition and culture, there are rites to keep away the dead from the partner or any other loved ones. The true Christian also has spiritual ways to do so. Cremation, however, cuts all these earthly after-death activities of the dead. That is why cremation serves a very useful purpose. It is only when the dead realizes and admits the vanity of the low desires to which he or she was attached during life can he or she proceed to the higher worlds, commencing with the first heaven. So until the dead was thoroughly purged of the low desires, the dead can never proceed to the first heaven. What is the situation of the drunkard in purgatory? Such a person craves for intoxicants after death, as was the case in physical life.
Filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all this.